ఇదే చెప్పాలి సార్. So you will see now UDP client and UDP server. UDP client and UDP server programming Java. Okay. So first we will import certain packages. So that is import java.net.star. Okay, that is one package which we will import, and we will also import java.io.star. So this contains networking package. This contains input output methods. So a net package contains internet methods, whereas IO package contains some input output methods. Okay, so now if you see the program, it is a public class UDP client, that is a class, and here after that public static void main, okay, string args. Next, first what we are defining is we are defining datagram socket. Okay, so datagram socket, a socket equal to null. Okay, so that means this object is initialized to null, and now in the try block, a socket equal to new datagram socket. That means here this socket is we are creating an object of this using dynamically creating, okay, using datagram socket class, datagram socket. After this, whatever the message you want to transfer, that is nothing but byte. So byte m equal to arg0 dot get bytes. So get bytes is the function which we will use. So arg0, that means whatever the argument will pass, so at runtime, so arg0 means immediately after the client. So let's say /client, immediately whatever the message you pass, so that is treated as the message which you want to transfer from sender to the receiver. Next is next you will see that inet address equal to, so get by name, inet address equal to get by name arguments of 1. So inet address means the machine address. That means normally what you will give from the client, you will give the port server and IP and port of the server, So okay, IP and port of the server. So that is being given here. That is being recognized and giving as option argument to the inet address. So inet address equal to inet address dot get by name a host equal to inet address dot get by name argument of 1. Okay, so whatever the IP address of the server, so at the second arg of 1 means second argument. Now we know the socket, datagram socket, and we know the inet address. Okay, so 2 we know. Next is, so a host, so a socket dot send in brackets request. Okay, so before that what we will do is inet server port. So server port is 6789. This is fixed. So through this port only we will hear from client to the server request, and also server from the client. So through this port only. So this is fixed. So 6789 is the port which are using in this program. Next is datagram packet. So datagram packet request equal to, so datagram socket is for is created to socket is created, and now whatever the information which we want to pass, that is a packet, so that is being sent here. So datagram packet request equal to new datagram packet Okay, so this is these are the functions available in net. So datagram and datagram packet, datagram socket, and inet address. So these are available in java.net.star. Okay, and now bytes in get bytes, get by name. So these are the functions available in the net packet. Okay, net and IO. Okay, so here in we will construct a packet. So that is datagram packet request equal to new datagram packet. In this we will pass argument of 0. Okay, and argument of 0, and also we will pass the a host server port, this one. Okay, a host server port. So INT server port equal to 6789. So we will pass here we will pass here argument server port we will pass, and message length. So whatever the message we will pass, so this message length. Okay, so message arg of 0 dot length will pass. Okay, and a host server port, a host dot server port. So these are the three arguments to this function: message, its length, and server port. Okay, and the next step is what we will do is a socket dot send. We will now we have a socket is there, datagram socket. So a socket dot send request, whatever the request we prepared here, so that is sent to the server. A request dot send. Okay, and byte buffer equal to new byte of 1000. That means we are creating a buffer of size 1000 bytes. Now after this, datagram packet reply equal to new datagram packet buffer dot length. So we don't know how much length of the reply we will get from the server. So that will be stored in the form of here a reply. So that is stored in the form of a reply message. So again, datagram packet reply equal to new datagram packet in the reply. What we will store is, we will store in the form of a buffer, new datagram packet buffer dot length, buffer dot length. That's it, buffer dot length. And finally what we will do is a packet dot reply. So a packet dot send and a packet dot receive of reply. A packet dot receive of reply. So whatever reply you will get from server, so receive in the form in a buffer and store it in the form of a packet. Okay. So this is about the okay. So after that what you will see is, okay, so this is the main structure of the UDP client. So creating a socket, message, a host address, and assigning to a port, and create a request, send across to the server, and reply accept in the form of a buffer, and receive it in the form of a packet. Okay, so this is about the UDP client.